Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible fire starter out of petroleum jelly and simple cotton balls. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible, almost windproof fire starter out of cotton balls and petroleum jelly. I bought these at the dollar store, just basic cotton balls, pure cotton, and then this personal care jelly. I mean, you can buy the Vaseline or you can get the inexpensive stuff. It really doesn't matter. As long as it's white petroleum USP 99% whatever, it will burn. And then cotton balls, they just have to be real cotton, not that synthetic stuff. So I'm going to show you right now how to put that all together, how to get it lit, and how well it performs. The process of making these little fireball fire starters out of this petroleum jelly and these cotton balls is really insanely simple. And boy, when I show you how well these burn later in the video, you will be blown away. So you literally just take the cotton ball, you don't have to do anything with it, and you just begin swabbing it in here. Just scrub it around. Now the cotton might start tearing apart. If you get the expensive cotton balls, it'll hold together a bit better, but that's all you really need to do. Is it just turns into this glob of cotton, and you just kind of swirl it around, and you can keep it in a film canister if you can find those things nowadays, or a Ziploc or whatever. It is kind of messy, but the more petroleum jelly you get on there, the more this will burn. Now the thing about the petroleum jelly is highly inflammable by itself. This stuff, if you put a lighter to it, nothing will happen. It's the fumes. So I need to clean my fingers off here. Good, just scrape them on some old wood there. And now what I'm going to show you is I've created that cotton ball, and I'll just clean my fingers here. But now that I've done that, let's say you're hiking, you need to start a fire, you're struggling. I've got this handy dandy sparker here. I always love flint and steel because, well, I can always get a spark going. So what you do is you just tear out the middle of the cotton ball so it's exposed to the air. And once you get that open, all you do is, now I'm covered in petroleum jelly, is you just put the sparker in there. Now, doing that, one spark, and we've got fire just like that. Isn't that impressive? Now, what I'm going to do is take the camera off the rig here. Hopefully I don't drop it. Nothing bad happens. And now I'm going to show you how well this works. Whoo boy, smoky. Check that flame out. What we're going to do is take this over here. Hopefully I don't burn myself. And you can see we're in the wind right now. There you go. Now it's pretty breezy over here. And when some wind comes around, you'll see that that thing just doesn't give up. So this way you can really get a fire started. I'm going to do the water experiment in just a moment, so don't go away just yet. But check out how long this thing burns. Just a single spark or two, cotton, and that Vaseline, and voila. There you go. All it took were cotton balls from the dollar store and petroleum jelly, and you've got something, a little fireball that'll burn for minutes at a time using only your flint and steel sparker. I mean, just, you know, get a couple of sparks going, and voila, you've got a fire that virtually won't go out in pretty breezy conditions that would normally put any other fire out. This fire starter I always carry with me as an emergency backup anytime I'm in the backcountry, because you never know, with a flint and steel, some cotton balls, and petroleum jelly could save your life. My name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Please like and comment on the video, and if you found that helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and be safe out there.